Hey guys, how are you? I'm videotaping this kind of late at night, so it's quiet here in my house. Um, Today you're going to be learning about reflection in math, and I wanted to kind of discuss with you what the word reflection means. As you can see the image, I want you to look first at these letters right here, the bold-faced letters. And then you see some water and you see the letter reflected in the water. I want you to pay very close attention to how the letters look in the water versus up here. How does the mountain look here versus the reflection in the water? We're going to look at a couple more images. Let's look at this image. It's a picture of a man. This is a waterway. And as you can see, the sky and the image is reflected in the water. Look at the position of certain things. Look at his hands. Look at the way his head is tilted. Look at the clouds, the free space in the clouds. How is it reflected in that water? Here's another picture. It's a little boy sticking his tongue out at a mirror. Kind of silly, but look very closely. Look at his eyes. Look how they line up. Look at his hands. Look at this hand. We don't even see this hand in the mirror, or part of his body, or this leg. Look at this image. We're getting a little bit closer with math. Here is the image of the mountain with the snow-capped peak. Here it is in the water. Now look at this. We have a pentagon here that someone drew over top of the same mountain. And look at the pentagon reflected in the water. I wonder, what does this have to do with what we're going to be talking about today in math? So, what is a reflection? The word reflection have to do with math? I don't know either. She sure is adorable though, isn't she? Look at this. If we put a mirror here, look at the shape that would be reflected. Here is the shape. This is the reflection we would see in our mirror. I wonder, what does this have to do with what we have been learning about in math class so far? So today, in the lesson today, you're going to be trying this out. You will have a quizzes that you're going to be doing after the lesson with our math superstar, Miss Spera. So please make sure that you listen to her lesson very closely so that you can learn how we use reflection in math. And then you'll be trying it out in a quizzes. Look for the code on the eClass page. Good luck. If you need help, I'm here for you. Just reach out. Bye.